How to cancel Remitly payment or cancel Remitly transaction. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Remitly payment and transaction, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to cancel your Remitly transaction or payment, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you'll be able to see this type of interface. Then in order to find out all of the transactions that you have currently made, you can see 4 of the tabs over here, and if there are any transaction, you will be able to see the transaction option right over here. And when you tap the transaction option, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to simply select the transaction and then follow the on-screen instructions to cancel it accordingly. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically cancel your transaction or payment on Remitly. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.